Hey everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I've been on here doing a plan with me. I'm in my B6 today doing my to-do planner. I saved this one. I was hoping I'd have time to do this today, and I did. So let's get down to it. I realized, so this is my to-do planner. If you are new to my channel, this is from Pression. It's a B6 spiral, and it's a weekly planner, and I have all of my to-do items. So you can see, gosh, this is, I mean, that's obviously, January, so we're going all the way through the year here. It's a planner I use every week. It sits on top of my microwave. And then, let's see, this was week before last, and then somehow I managed to skip an entire section and do last week in the next section. So it's going to be all weirdly out of order. Anyway, this was last week's. You can see I've still got several things not checked off per usual. Do you guys do that? You like transfer week to week? And I feel like it's so silly because week after week after week, I'm writing the same things down, but then at least I remember that I still need to do them. Anyway, so I'm going back here and I'll have this random Halloween one. I don't know, I guess next month or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I am going to pull my Sweet Kawaii Design $2 Tuesday sheets. This is what I use for my B6 all the time. Okay, so my $2 Tuesday sheets, sorry, my daughter just walked in to ask me a question and I got distracted. This is where I keep my Sweet Kawaii Design sheets, and I decided this week in this planner I'm going to use the pumpkin patch. Now, how did I decide that, you may ask? Well, this is where I keep track of all the kits that I'm going to use for the different weeks. Yes, over the top, but yes, it keeps me organized, and I make sure also that I use the kits that I have and I don't forget about them, and then they sit there in my albums and I forget. So October 17th through 23rd, pumpkin patch in my B6. So I'm such a nerd. I know, my husband's like, oh my gosh, you are such a nerd. Anyway, I'll own it. So I'll pull out the sheets here I have for the pumpkin patch kit. I love these $2 Tuesday sheets from Sweet Kawaii Design. You can see I only need one date covers. I use them for so many different things. In this one, in my Hobo Cousin, on the daily pages, in my school B6, because I have multiple planners. Okay, so we've got the full boxes. You can see I've already used a couple of these in my Hobo Cousin. Let's see, I can show you those pages. So that was on the daily pages. I finally had some time to get back to daily pages after not doing them forever and ever. We see a pattern here. Let's see, so it was earlier this week. This is where I used some of those pumpkin patch stickers on here. So that's why some of them are gone. So we have the full boxes. We have, are those not the cutest little checklists? All the little pumpkins. We have quarter boxes, the date covers, all that fun stuff. And then I need to pick a washi. So I pulled out the other day all of my fall / Halloween washi because there are several different stores. These are all Sweet Kawaii Design. These are all Sweet Bean Plans. And then we have Coffee Monsters Co. and then Itty Bitty Sticker Co. So I pulled out all the really cute fall and Halloween so that I'd have it at my fingertips. And so I think I'm just going to pull out the matching. I use this on those daily pages too, the matching pumpkin patch, it's the pumpkins to go with this, and I'll put that down here at the bottom. So I'm going to get kind of the bones laid down, like the date covers, all that good stuff, and the washi, and I'll speed you up because it is not very exciting to watch. Okay, so I've got my washi, and then you might have noticed as I was doing that, probably not, but maybe, that I changed the order of the colors. So in the kit, the colors go yellow, kind of this orangey red, and then tan, and then orange. But I wanted to switch it so that yellow and tan were close together because I wanted to use this double box. And so because it has the yellow and the tan, I wanted to either put it over here on Monday, Tuesday, over here on Friday, Saturday, so that then it kind of is more color blocked, I guess. So anyway, if I look back, you know, I often will do, let's see. Oh, I didn't use any double boxes on some of these. How funny. There's one over there. So I do like them there. Let's see, this past week when I put it in the wrong spot, it's so irritating. I did double box over here. Maybe I'll try the double box over here. But first, before I do that, I put these quarter boxes on, and this is where I put all the different laundry that we need to do during the week, because laundry, it is never ending. And I feel like if I don't try to do some nearly every day during the week, then I spend the entire weekend, or we, my family, spends the entire weekend cycling loads through the washer, you know, with everybody's clothes, and then bedding, towels. We have blankets on the couch, you know, to curl up on the couch, watching a movie or whatever. Those need to get washed every week, you know, so there's just so many loads of laundry to do. And I like to put them here, and I don't check them off in these boxes until they are folded and put away. Which also, because I like to check things off, so it is nice to be able to get it done and then get to check something off. We did not stay on top of our laundry this week, so today, all the beds, our laundry, just everybody's laundry. Anyway, we'll start the week off with everything nice and clean. So that's very nice for sure. I don't know actually if I want one there, because this is a pretty short little section. Let's see, that goes there. Okay. All right, so now I get to put all of my double box, and then all of the fun full boxes on, and then the cute, let's see if this, then the cute checklists, which I'm super excited about. We'll put that there. Have you gone to the pumpkin patch yet? We have not. We were actually talking about that this morning, where we live over on the coast from where we live, about half an hour away. They have a big pumpkin festival, and that was this past weekend, or today, I guess, and yesterday. We didn't go over. You hit major traffic if you go over there, so we didn't go. But maybe next weekend we'll head over there and pick up some pumpkins. The pumpkin patches are always so fun and cute to go to. My daughter went to one with some of her friends, but it was more just the activities that they went to go do, you know, like the haunted barn and all of those fun things. But we haven't gotten any pumpkins yet this year. And I suggested to my husband, I'm like, well, we can get them from Costco. You know, they're like $6.99. He's like, yeah, but it's the experience. It's the experience of going to the pumpkin patch. And I agree, it is the experience, and it's really fun. So that, maybe next weekend, we shall see. It's kind of busy. Kind of busy these days, which is why I haven't really been around. It's just been busy. With school starting, and yeah, that was like 6 weeks ago, but my goodness, the start of the school year, it is a marathon for weeks and weeks. You know, you start the school year, then you have back to school night, and then we had parent teacher conferences, not this past week, but the week before. It's been a lot. It's been a lot to get stuff done, and, you know, doing work at home and trying to catch up, which I just don't think I'm ever going to catch up. I'm certainly not with schoolwork. So it's just been really, really busy. My kids are doing now both kids are in a musical this fall. So that's really fun, but it's a lot of rehearsals between the two of them. They are on the same cast because there are multiple casts, but they're kind of have obviously different roles and different parts that they have to go rehearse. And it's a lot of rehearsal time for all of us to be driving down there and everything. It's totally worth it, totally fun, but definitely keeping us busy. Okay, my last little piece here, now that I have the checklist on, which, I mean, seriously, I'm so in love with these little pumpkins, is to put a couple other little stickers here. So I'll fit 5 different items to do. They aren't necessarily day specific. It doesn't matter. I just look for, like here, I just look for the dots that I haven't checked off as I go through the week. So it doesn't, sometimes it's day specific and I'll put something on today, but not always. So this is my fall album, and I have fall kits in the front, and then all the different single sheets that I've collected over the years for fall. So I'm just going to kind of pick a variety of different ones to use which is always fun. Let's see if I look at, oh, there's this little tractor. I can use this little tractor from this one. So I'll need 10, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, maybe I'll put like a little header there to fill that space too. These are all just, they're super cute, super fun. Grab a pumpkin. These little pumpkins, little garlands are so cute. They're just a lot of fun fall stickers. Obviously, there are many, many. I mean, look at that. I've already gotten 5. Little mushrooms. Oh, fall drinks. So my daughter has figured out that the caramel, oh gosh, I don't remember what it's called. Caramel Ribbon Crunch. Maybe Frappuccino, but without the coffee. Because I don't like the taste of coffee, neither does she. Is really good. And I totally agree. It's completely like a milkshake. It is not a breakfast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it is yummy. Ooh, some fun little critters. Let's do Frank. We already have Poe and we have Simon. I don't know if I want Bo and his pink. Oh, pumpkins. Super cute. We'll grab George. And look at that. Wow, I didn't even get very far into my fall sheets here. Sorry for the glare on the pages, but there are just so many cute fall stickers. I love them. So cute. Okay, so I'll put these on. Let's see, we'll kind of alternate the critters. We've got Simon. Here's Frank. Here's Poe. And we'll put George over here. Okay, that George. He's so cute in his little wheelbarrow. With the owl down here. And then we just got, oh, let's see, I'll put the tractor kind of going into the coil there. Got all these cute little pumpkins. Where do I want to put that? Maybe there. And the drinks. Well, that turned out super cute. I'm pretty excited by that. Like I said, I'll just fill this in here. I think maybe with this color, since I kind of matches right below it. And since I didn't use a quarter box of that color, we'll bring a little bit more of that color in there. I like it. I like how it turned out. Anyway, thanks for hanging with me. Thanks so much for sticking around because I've completely been MIA from this channel for a couple months now. So I'm excited to get back into it. I need to answer people's questions and comments because I've not been good about that either. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear about your fall plans, and I'll be back, fingers crossed, next weekend with another video. Maybe, gosh, wouldn't it be great if I could even do it in midweek? We'll see. But definitely next weekend, I'm going to try to get another one done. Not in this planner, probably, ooh, I don't know, maybe my Hobo Cousin, some daily pages. I'm trying to stay on top of that too. So it's motivation to get some stuff done. All right, happy planning, everybody. Have a great week.